All right, guys, today's topic, we went over the Susie Q first, extended Susie Q, and then regular Susie Q. And then when we started the class, we went over the inside turn.
Inside.
And in getting into a closed position, inside turn, getting back to closed position, then we did inside turn, Lee did a right turn, then right turn for the follow. So when we talked about the Susie Q first, yes, is 1. So when I step, 1. So when I step, go ahead and put your right foot. You have to pretend you still have a turnout foot. I mean, you have your stance in a V. Okay, that's what we meant by turn out your feet, even when you cross. 1. Side step might not be too big, depending on if we do it slow or fast. The foot can be behind you, then you cross, and you step, you cross, step, you cross, then you go to the other side, cross, the same way, step, cross, step, cross, step, cross. Yes, when you do it fast, obviously you don't have, it looks like we're doing a side step, but when you do it fast, it's very, like this foot is almost behind it. Yes, so normal Susie Q, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Extend the Susie Q, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. See, notice my side foot, side step is not that big anymore because we're doing it at regular time. See. Then we went over the inside turn. Remember, not this soft knees all the time, balls of your foot. Please slightly turn, what do you call it?
Off center.
Off center,
No.
not center, and not to the right.
That's weird. Oh, come back. Here we
Yes, so we go. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna do a crossbody lead just so you can see the elbows. Elbow to elbow. This connection is very important. Yes? This is the key just for the crossbody lead. If we just do one arm to have a good connection. If I'm gonna do a turn with one hand, with one arm, 1. I can do that based on my rotation of
Your arm and shoulder and frame.
not just arm, frame. Yes? So, basic, 1, 2, 3, 5. Inside turn, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Back to close, 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Then we did inside turn, right turn, 1, 5. 1, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. I'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yes? Some of the leads we're doing this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You're rushing your follow. Yes? You have to make sure that you're doing it at the pace of the music. Yes?
See.
So, practice. Let's go.